Hello friend, this is show how to cleaning condenser of refrigerator side by side. So let's go how to cleaning a condenser back side. If we don't cleaning when the refrigerator operate long time will be dirty and wet cooling issue. So we need to cleaning regularly like 3 months one time. Okay, that is the back side of refrigerator. We can see the back cover of condenser. We have the screw right side, middle and left side. So the first we need to open the screw. This cleaning we have two method. First, first one we can cleaning by water, clean by water, deep cleaning, and the second one we can cleaning by vacuum and brush. Okay, now we already open. We can see the condenser dirty inside. Some case a lot of dirty, so we need to cleaning it. Then the cooling fan can operate and can make cooling performance is good like a new one. So we need to cleaning it, and we can cleaning compressor another area. We can cleaning all together. So now we show you cleaning by water. Okay, we remove the pump motor, protection the water drop. We disconnect the connector wire of pump motor. Okay, now we cleaning by water. We block the fan motor, protect water drop for the fan motor, and cleaning only condenser. Fan motor we can use the close for cleaning. Okay, now we already cleaning by water and powder also. Now we more cleaning by close tower. When cleaning, yes, compressor cleaning by close. Now it's done for cleaning. After that we assembly the back cover, and you can try some blower or hot air for cleaning the cable also, power cable. We also need to clean the back cover. This is the air inlet and outlet. Also it has dirty block before cleaning. You need to clean it. Now we assembly the drain pump water and connector wire. Screw. Assembly screw. Okay, now assembly the back cover. Connect to the hole. Okay, now we done for the condenser refrigerator cleaning.